Welcome, students, to Virtual Teaching Tutor. Welcome to ratios. Ratios are a way to compare two or more quantities, showing the relative size of one quantity to another. They are commonly used in everyday life, from cooking and scaling recipes to financial analysis and mixing ingredients. Understanding ratios can help you make informed decisions and solve practical problems. Let's explore how to solve a problem involving ratios through a medium difficulty example. Example problem 1. You have 8 apples and 12 oranges. 2. What is the ratio of apples to oranges? 3. Simplify the ratio. Step 1. Identify the quantities. First, identify the quantities you want to compare. We have 8 apples and 12 oranges. Step 2. Write the ratio. Ratios can be expressed in three ways: using a colon, as a fraction, or in words. For this example, we can write the ratio of apples to oranges as 8 to 12, 8 twelfths, or 8 apples to 12 oranges. Step 3. Simplify the ratio. Next, simplify the ratio to its lowest terms. To do this, find the greatest common divisor of the two numbers. Step 3 continued. Number 1. Find the greatest common denominator of 8 and 12. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The common factors are 1, 2, and 4. The greatest common factor is 4. Step 3 continued. Number 2. Divide both numbers by the greatest common denominator. For apples, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. For oranges, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Thus, the simplified ratio is 2 to 3. Step 4. Interpret the result. The simplified ratio of apples to oranges is 2 to 3. This means that for every 2 apples, there are 3 oranges. In conclusion, ratios are a straightforward way to compare quantities. By identifying the quantities, writing the ratio, simplifying it, and interpreting the result, you can solve various ratio problems efficiently. Keep practicing with different examples to strengthen your understanding. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could share it with your family and friends. Your support means a lot to us. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button to show your appreciation. Subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted as soon as we release our next video. If you're interested in tutoring sessions, feel free to contact me at jriverstar@gmail.com. Support our mission. Visit our website and donate via the link below to make a difference today. Thank you for watching, and we love hearing your thoughts in the comments.